Hi, I'm Christian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to be working on a Maytag range. The customer's complaint is that the front left burner isn't regulating the temperature properly. So we're going to be replacing the front left infinite switch to take care of this issue. To begin this repair, we're going to pull the range out from the wall to access the infinite switch. The tools you will need to complete this repair are a Phillips screwdriver or a Phillips style bit incorporated with the drill. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. The next step to access the infinite switch is to remove this top panel. To do so, we're going to begin by removing the 10 Phillips style screws that secure the panel in place. 5 of them are on the right and then 5 of them are on the left. Doesn't matter how you take them out or what order. Once the screws are out, we can go ahead and flex the top part down and out, and then lift up on the panel. Careful, because it is sharp. Next, we want to go ahead and remove looks like there's 2 different, we'll call them Molex connectors that go to the infinite switch. So we're just going to pull straight off on these. You might have to wiggle a little, because once they are seated in there and they've been there for a while, sometimes they set in place and are a little difficult to pull off. Just like that. Next, we're gonna go ahead and remove the knob. To do so, you just lift straight off. The next step is to remove the 2 Phillips style screws that are securing the actual infinite switch into place. So, just be careful, you will need these screws later to install the new switch. Now we're gonna begin to install the new switch. You could do so by lining the shaft in the opening and then securing the switch with the 2 Phillips style screws in the front. Now we're gonna reinstall the 2 Phillips style screws. You don't want to over tight them, just make sure they're snug. Once the screws are secure, we can go ahead and return the knob into its original position. And again, this one's just gonna slide right on there. You're just gonna have to push it onto. Next, we can go ahead and reattach the wires. Again, they're keyed to go on only one way, so you cannot confuse them. You're just gonna push them straight on. Once the wire connectors are secure, we can go ahead and start reinstalling the top service panel. The next step we're gonna do is to return the top service panel. To do so, we're gonna line up the bottom here and slot it in the openings down at the bottom. Then we're gonna go ahead and flex the top a little bit so it gets tucked in. Just like that. Once it's tucked in, we're gonna go ahead and start resecuring the panel with the 10 Phillips style screws. Now the first couple I'm securing here, I'm not tightening all the way, so it gives me a little bit of play room with the panel. Once the screws are securing the top service panel, we can go ahead and plug the range back in, line it up with the insert of the hole, and slide it back. Now we're testing the unit here. We've installed the new infinite switch. The burner that we were having the issue with was the front left burner, which is right here. So right now I have them all on, they're on the high. So far so good. They're staying with each other. Before, this one was short cycling. That's what was happening, and that's why we replaced the switch. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality in-home repair video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.